The ultimate MURAIBATU RONGGEng tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're exploring traditional arts, most people get this wrong by overlooking the cultural depth behind performances. The surprising truth about MURAIBATU RONGGEng is that it's not just a dance, it's a rich expression of heritage, storytelling, and communal celebration. First, understand the origins. You won't believe how deeply rooted it is in local culture. RONGGEng performances often convey historical events, folklore, and moral lessons, blending music, movement, and ritual in a unique way. Next, observe the techniques. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the visual aspect. MURAIBATU RONGGEng includes precise footwork, expressive gestures, and coordinated movements with traditional instruments that require training and rhythm. Look at costume and music. The surprising truth is that traditional attire and live music are central. Vibrant costumes, colourful fabrics, and rhythmic drum patterns enhance the storytelling and create an immersive experience. Finally, appreciate the community aspect. You won't believe how integral audience participation is. Locals often join in singing or dancing, preserving traditions and creating a shared cultural identity. In conclusion, MURAIBATU RONGGEng can take you from 0 to pro in understanding traditional dance. By studying its origins, techniques, music, and communal importance, you gain a deeper appreciation for this vibrant cultural art form. Engaging with it fully transforms how you experience performance and heritage.